IPTV setup for beginners doesn't happen by accident. The right setup is what keeps your stream smooth, avoids constant buffering, and saves you from annoying issues like lag, app crashes, or channels not loading. In this video, we'll quickly break down the 3 essentials of a great IPTV setup: the right device, the right internet connection, and the right IPTV service. First, the device. Not all streaming devices handle IPTV the same. Choosing the right one is the foundation for a hassle-free experience. Android TV devices are one of the best options for IPTV. They're highly compatible with IPTV apps, easy to set up, and offer better performance and flexibility for long-term use. Amazon Fire Stick and Fire TV are also great choices. They're affordable, easy to use, and perfect for beginners who want a simple plug-and-play setup with reliable streaming. Second, your internet connection. Even the best device won't perform well without stable internet. A wired Ethernet connection is the most reliable, especially for live sports and HD streaming. Wi-Fi can also work well if you're using a strong 5 GHz network and your device is close to the router. For smooth streaming, aim for at least 15 to 25 megabits per second, and higher speeds if you're watching full HD or 4K content on multiple devices. Finally, the IPTV service. This is where everything comes together. A good IPTV service should be easy to set up, stable during peak hours, and beginner-friendly. NetGo TV is designed exactly for that. It works seamlessly with Android TV and Fire TV, offers a smooth setup process, and delivers consistent live TV and on-demand content when paired with the right device and internet connection. Get the setup right, and IPTV becomes simple, smooth, and enjoyable. Visit our website today and get started with a 3-day free trial.